Hi again. It looks like it's the end of September already. I'd sure like to know how my business is doing from a financial perspective. Every business should choose a fiscal period. It can't be longer than a year for tax purposes. But I'd like to know how my business is doing more often, like every month. So I'm going to use 1 month fiscal periods so I can summarize my financials more than just once a year. The first step is to get a handle on what I own. Let's talk about my assets first. Obviously, I have some cash and that's an asset. I also have a couple of accounts receivable, money that is owed to me by my clients. Eddie Handvalen still owes me money for work I've done, and I haven't gotten paid by Shredder Elementary either. Accounts receivable should turn into cash pretty soon, so I'll list them right after cash. I've also got some supplies and that prepaid insurance. I'll list those after accounts receivable since they are short-term assets.
Well, Jammy, I know you've got some assets, but you also owe some money to others as well. These are liabilities. You've got that accounts payable with Harmony Music. Remember?
Good point, Janice. I also have some equity accounts. I invested my own money at the start of the month. That's my capital. I also took out some money for personal use. That's called owner drawing.
But you earned money along the way. Those are your sales. Some businesses earn money in lots of ways. Remember when we went to Disney? We spent money on food, tickets, shows, merch. We spent so much money. Disney probably has lots of different revenue categories, but you just have the sales from your lessons.
Right on. And we can't forget about my expenses. I paid for some advertising and I put gas in my car a couple of times. I know I also have expenses for the supplies I used in my insurance, but I'm not sure how to do those yet. So here's what we've got. These are all of my accounts that I used during the month. Our next step is to figure out the balance of each account. Can you help me calculate the balance of each account?